Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, the widow, all protocols of serve. First, thank you, Your Excellency, for this time to speak before you on behalf of the athletes and to pass a message of condolences to the family of Kelvin Kiptum. We say sorry. We were all affected, and we are still affected by the demise of Kelvin Kiptum. Your Excellency, we want to say thank you for the support you've shown us. You've shown this family, especially the construction of the new house. I was privileged yesterday to visit the place, and it is a beautiful house. Thank you, Mr. President. To all mourners, we knew Kiptum for a very short time, but within that period, he had done amazing. A world record holder who never even stayed or lived to enjoy his exploits. It's so sad. To Athletics Kenya, poleni sana, we are crying together. To Lord Sebastian Go, the World Athletics President, this must have been the difficult record for you because it was barely a week that you ratified that record and the holder is no longer with us. Pole sana, we say sorry to you, sir. Mr. President, on behalf of these athletes, they have told me, in respect to Kelvin Kiptum, in this area, because he has dreams of supporting all the talents in this place, there was no facility, and it was read by the family that he used to walk barefoot just to go and train in Eldoret, where he could get a place to train, because we don't have a place here. And for his honor, please, Mr. President, we request that you start a project here, a training facility to honor him and name after him. Mr. President, these athletes are requesting just a little recognition and support. The place where we are in is a place of champions, but we do not have a training facility at all. Across the North Rift, the 3 counties calling themselves in pride of our athletes, unfortunately there is no training facility that can be used by our athletes. I want to urge the 3 governors, please unite your minds. You can even start by having one facility for these athletes to train in. That is very little to ask. Again, Mr. President, for these world record holders, please, we request to be given even security. The loss we have encountered in Kiptum is huge. It's so huge to the country and the world. But if he had security at that time, or a driver, we don't know the life of someone, but maybe we could have saved him. We have not many world record holders in this country, but let's support them to keep them that security and a driver. It doesn't cost much for our country because the pride that the athletes bring to this country is much bigger. For those few remarks, Mr. President, thank you.